Hi guys, so I'm going to review these earbuds that I ordered from JOOM. They were about £8 each. I think they've gone up to 10 now. I think it was free. I'll check on my phone. Free shipping. But yeah, I've tried them out, and they look. I mean, it's nice because you've got like the earbuds themselves. They connect really easily. I connected them up to my Samsung phone really easily. You need to just press the outside of the thing, and you've got a display that tells you how much this box has got charged in it. You can use this box to actually charge your phone at the same time as well. So win-win really. Only downside, everything's in Chinese or Japanese, whatever it is, whichever one it comes in. I believe it's Chinese, I think. You can get them in black or white. But a nice little unit, and I played some music through it, and really okay actually. Not yet. iPods and Samsung buds, but pretty good actually. So let's unbox it and see what we got. So, like I said, it's a nice little box. They do fit in your ears nicely as well. That's the only bit that's on the English bit on it, I think. True wireless headphones. That's the thing, when you switch them on as well, they do speak to you in Chinese or Oriental language, but they're a good unit, I must admit. They do look nice. So this is it. So you get your two earbuds, charging cable, charging unit, and a selection of fitments for your ears. So if we take this out, now I've already charged this. It's a nice little unit, pocket size. I have no idea what it says on the back of there. In the back here, if I can get it open, here we go. So in the back, you've got your chargement in, USB out. So you can charge your phone with that. This is a see-through top, so when it's charging, you can. This display lights up. I have already charged this, so there you go. Look, see how it lights up. Tells you it's 100%. Tells you that they're charging. They're magnetic as well, so it just goes brunk and straight in there, and it will tell you they're charging. And like I said, when you close this down, you can see it from the outside as well. It tells you there how much they charge. They take a few. It takes hardly any time at all to get this right up to 100%. I think that 100, as far as I can make out, that 100 is the box. I got them yesterday and just played around with them for a little bit. So you can see it's going up really quickly. Here you go, still going. But yeah, it doesn't take long for them to get up to light speed. So I'll take them out. I'll just do one. So you take them out. It's probably linked to my phone anyway. And you see it's flashing blue. All you do is press it gently. That either turns it off. And it's not going to work for me now. and gently press it on again. Touch sensitive, and like I said, they play quite well. They fit quite nicely in your ears. When you link them, you only have to press one and it links to both. So yeah, I mean, for a tenner, they're pretty good, I think. So let's just see what they came under. Check on my phone. So it was JOOM. Let's go through my phone and see if I can find it on there, find the actual site it was on, and my orders. Okay, and I bought 2 lots and they came to £16.92. As you can see, top there, that one there, £16.92, and they're now £10. So they're waterproof, automatic pairing. Is that 4,000 milliamp hours, I suppose. You get 3 different ear caps, different sizes, USB, touch sensitive, and like it says on here, you can charge your phone. Oh, don't want to be doing that. You can get them in the white. Noise reduction on call, sound quality greatly improved, Bluetooth 5 smart touch, and large capacity charging case. I've got to admit, I don't know what all this means. This has got 4.5 stars, so 4.4 it says, so it might be good. They say they're good for waterproof, IPX7, true waterproof, washable, high quality, IPX waterproof, not afraid of sweat and not afraid of water. And switch music, answer, hang up. I suppose you can do that with all your touches. I've not tried any of this yet, so I suppose you can try all this. Summon Siri, so it can work with your iPhones. Play, pause, volume adjustment, on and off. I'm sure there's some way you can download the manual for it, but I've just played with it for a few days, 2 days, yesterday afternoon and today. As I said, you get like, I think it's quite cool because you've got this little case that lights up and tells you all about your product, how much charge you've got. I think it's quite an awesome little thing. Like I said, and it only took, I think it took 12 days for me to get it in. I mean, it's probably going to be later now, it's Christmas time and that. But yeah, I thought it was a good little product. Like I say, the only downside really is the fact that it's all in foreign language. I mean, this was the manual. And I'm sure with my translator, I could actually translate it on my phone, actually. I'm sure my translator would work it all out. Just got to find out which one's which. But I don't know if you guys can read that. There's got to be someone out there who knows this language. But yeah, that's all that came with it. All that came with it. Yeah. So I recommend them for a tenner. I recommend them because you're paying like over £100 for another set, and you can have these as a second set. Like I said, waterproof, everything. So anyway, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later. I hope you like this product. I've got a few more coming, some from Wish, and I've got, I don't know if you just saw that, but I got some drill. They're kind of drill and thread bits. So that'll be one I'm going to do. So we'll catch you later.